Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong video posted by Senator Pia Cayetano kung saan sinasabon niya si Matibag at lead prosecutor Luistro. Dahil si Matibag, pag testify niya kahapon, ang binabasa niya ang alleged testimony ni Las Cañas na hindi naman napirmahan, hindi naman na notarize. Kaya kawawa itong si Attorney Luistro. Pareha silang abogado Matibag abogado, Luistro abogado. Parang hindi sila abogado. Kaya nilecturan sila ni Senator Pia Cayetano. O ito, pakinggan natin
Do you consider Las Cañas an important witness for you, for the prosecution?
With all due respect, Your Honor, the purpose of the testimony is to present what transpired during the investigation of the Special Task Force. As to whether or not what probative value it holds, it is not part actually of the decision of the prosecution, as what we are intending to do here is to present only what happened during the investigation of the NBI, Your Honor.
Wala. Tinatanong, importante bang testigo si Las Cañas? It's either yes or no. Sabi niya, hindi. We're just, kung anong nangyari nung investigasyon ng NBI, yun lang sinasabi namin. So what? Dapat kung mag-present kayo ng testigo, yung may probative value. Ano ba yan? Binabasa lang ang testimonya ni Las Cañas na wala pa namang perma, hindi naman na notaryo. Bakit ka mag-present ng bagong testigo na hindi naman, ay nako talaga ito. Tuloy.
Mr. Presiding Officer, the rules of evidence are very clear. You either present a witness who provides your testimony, or you present a document. And
Yes.
in terms of documents, Rule 132, Section 19, says there are two classes of documents, public documents and private documents. Included in public documents are documents acknowledged before a notary public. Yung pinakitang document is not acknowledged by a notary public. Pwede naman din ang private documents, that's the other class. If it can be shown and authenticated in any of the following manner. The person saw the document executed or written. Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya?
Your Honor, we can...
No, please answer my question.
No, Your Honor.
Oh, the next...
Kasi binabasa ni Matibag yung testimony ni Las Cañas. Hindi naman na notary public. Kaya tanong, nakita ba ni Matibag si Las Cañas na ginawa yung affidavit? Hindi. Di palpak. Grabe.
Manner of authenticating by evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting of the maker. The defense said ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that?
We don't, Your Honor.
Okay, and the third, by other evidence showing its due execution or authenticity, did you provide?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so simple lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. They're trying to prove something by showing a document that any law student, even yung mga kababayan natin na nakikinig na ngayon na ang dami ng alam sa procedure, will tell you na hindi acceptable yon. And with all due respect, katulad din nung kahapon na humingi ako ng payo sa inyo, again, I will not name names, we had a discussion in caucus na you cannot unsee what you see. You cannot unhear what you hear. So pinalabas yun. Wala akong problema na palabasin yun, pero do your job and present the proper witness and the proper documentation to do that. Do your job. I'm addressing this, Mr. Presiding Officer, to us as a body. Kasi hindi tama yun. Magdidesisyon tayo, you warn us, pero pinabayaan natin na makita yun. Minamarkahan pa, submarkings. What's the purpose of all that?
May I respond, Your Honor?
Not really.
I don't believe
because
there
I
was a
already
question.
answered. I already asked you the questions, and you had a chance to respond. Yes.
There was no question posed, or I was
There's none. Yes.
telling the lead prosecutor.
I move to my next point, Mr. Presiding Officer. Our jurisprudence is very clear, no? A witness must be competent and credible. Hindi ko na babasahin lahat yung jurisprudence natin dyan dahil kompleto na yung record natin dyan. But there is also also included in our rules, Rule 132 on the rules of evidence, and I'll read it. A witness may be impeached by the party against whom he or she was called by contradictory evidence, by evidence that his or her general reputation for truth, honesty, or integrity is bad, or by evidence that he or she has made at other times statements inconsistent with his or her present testimony. So this is the rules, no? Siguro we can, well, I'm reading the rules, so we can take notice of this, that this is what our rules say, and I don't think anyone will contradict that. Again, there are lots of cases supporting this.
The ICC does... No, Your Honor.
Yan. Yung document na binabasa ni Matibag, walang perma, walang notarization. Ang rason ni Luistro is galing daw yun sa ICC. Ano ba yan? Ito, pakinggan
The
natin.
ICC does not require notarization of document.
Noted, but we are not the ICC Council.
Ang galing. Ang galing ng birada. Ang galing ng birada. Presiding officer. We are not the ICC. Anong pakialam namin sa ICC kung hindi sila nag-require ng signature? Kawawa talaga itong si Luistro. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video nito.
Si ate ang natagaan ng Mugero. So, ano na ang balay. Sandig na niya ang hero. So, muna niya ang itsura gyud sa iyang balay. Muna ni gidakoon sa buslot sa balay ni ate. So mga luag na gid kayo ang buslot sa iyang balay, mga lata na gid kayo ang hero niya. So karaan na gid kayo nga balay. Makita gid nimo nga panagid ulan na nagyuro. Mauna ni ang ilang kahimtang nila. Ilang pagpuyo. Ang ilang mga hero lata na gid kayo. Diri dapit, so sako lang gyud ang ilang giatok dinhi dapita sa ilang doon silang kwarto. So isod gid kayo ang ilang pagpuyo. So karon ti pila naman ni ka tuig ang inyong balay nga lata ng hero og gipang nagatop lang gani mo og sako.
15 na katuig.
15 na katuig ang hero.
Oo.
So gikuha na lang ninyo ang uban og sako.
Ako para nga kuan niptan aw kuan
Mm.
kanang tulo. May mga eskwela nga kuan. Pag-isod ni kaayo.
Na may mga eskwela. So pila ka bukti imong eskwela te?
Kuan duha.
Duha.
Oo.
So unsa na yung mga grade?
Grade mid 7 o mid 3.
So unsa dai te inyong panginabuhian?
Kuan ra ka nang kontraksyon ra ang yang bana kuan lain may trabaho na lain sa panimalay ang yang asawa.
So lisod gyud ang ilang panginabuhian.
Oo, wala gid kay tungod ra sa apang pakitug bugas.
Gakalisod pa gani mo palit og bugas.
Oo.
Oo, so salamat.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga sa naghatag sa sin.
Oo.
Nga among ihatag sa kanang hero.
Salamat kaayo.